the fundamentals of two-way tables in 105 seconds. Let's go. When it comes to working with two-way tables, guys, the first thing to understand is going to be the type of information that they contain and how to read them. Let's have a look. We can say that a two-way table is a type of frequency table which contains information about two variables. So it contains information about two variables and it tells us the frequency with which these different variables occur. Let's have a look at this example. We can see that our two variables are going to be the type of seat that we're in, whether it's stalls or balcony, and it's going to be whether we're adults or children. So it's going to be a variable which contains information about people's ages. Let's have a look at how to read it then. What can we say? Well, if we wanted to work out how many people were adults and sitting in balconies, what we would do is we would read across the adults column and we would go down the balconies column and check whichever block is in the adults row and balcony column. We can see here that there would be 6 people who are sitting in balcony and are adults. Now, what about, for example, if we wanted the number of children who were in stalls? What we would do is we would go across the children's row and down the stalls column, and we would get to 18, telling us that there are going to be 18 children sitting in stalls. Now, another really important component of these two-way tables, guys, are going to be our totals row and our total column. We can see from these that the total number of people sitting in stalls would be 32. We can see that the total number of people sitting in balconies would be 14. We can also see that the total number of adults would be 20 because 14 plus 6 is 20. And finally, we can see overall that the total number of people would be 46. We could do that by doing our total number of adults plus our total number of children, or our total number of people sitting in stalls plus our total number of people sitting in balconies.